All right, this is lesson 3, angles on a line. So example 1, 3 lines meet at a point. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationship in the diagram. Set up and solve an equation to find the value of A. Okay, this is angles on a line. So angle A and angle 144 degrees form angles on a line and add up to 180 degrees. So here we have A plus 144 plus A equals 180 degrees. So now we have 2A plus 144 degrees equals 180 degrees. So now we're going to subtract 144 from both sides. So I have 2A equals 36. So divide both sides by 2. And A equals 18 degrees. Next, I have 3 lines meet at a point. I'm going to move this up. So I have 3 lines meet at a point. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationship in the diagram. Set up and solve an equation to find the value of Z. Excuse me. So notice that we have the box here, which means that this is a 90-degree angle, so I would write that in. So I have angle 19 degrees, angle 90 degrees, and angle Z degrees form angle on a line. And add up to 180 degrees. So here we have 19 plus 90 plus Z equals 180 degrees. Notice it's right here. That they add up to. So now I have 109 plus Z equals 180. So if I subtract 109 from both sides, I have Z equals 71 degrees. My next example is example 3. It says 2 lines meet at a point. That is also the end point of a ray. In a complete sentence, describe the relationship between the angles. Set up and solve an equation to find C. Well, again, we have, and let me show you here. We have 17 degrees. We have a 90-degree angle here. And we have C, which is right here. And they all form a straight angle right here. So angle C degrees. And this is a 90-degree angle again. So write that in. Angle 90 degrees. And angle 17 degrees, form, angle on a line, and add up to 180 degrees. Let me fix this first. I don't like the way that looks. There we go. So let's put these in an equation. So C plus 90 plus 17 equals 180 degrees. Adding these two together, I have C plus 107 equals 180. So subtracting 107 from both sides, I have C equals 73 degrees. Our next example, we have example 4. It says 3 lines meet at a point. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationship in the diagram. Set up and solve an equation to find the value of x. Well, what we can do is we can say that because this angle here is 90 degrees, we can also say that this angle and this angle are vertical angles. Therefore, this angle is 8 degrees. And we then can say angle x is angle x and angle 8 degrees then form 90-degree angle. So we can say that angle x and angle 8 degrees form complementary angles and add up to 90 degrees. So x plus 8 equals 90. So subtracting 8 from both sides, x will equal 82 degrees. Our next equation, and here we have to be careful. With this one, I have R and here are vertical angles. So if R is here, R can also be here. Okay? So now, because of that, this right here forms a straight line for this, this, and this. So we're going to leave that. So now we can say, it says set up and solve an equation to find the value of R in a complete sentence. Describe it. So we can say angle R, angle 34 degrees, and angle 122 degrees form angle on a line and add up to 180 degrees. So we have 34 plus R plus 122 equals 180. So adding 34 and 122, we have R plus 156 equals 180. So subtracting 156 from both sides, we have R equals 24 degrees. Our next problem, and our last problem, is in a complete sentence. Describe it. So we have angle AOB and angle BOC form angles on a line. And add up to 180 degrees. So we have 2x minus 15 plus 11x equals 180. So we have 2x minus 15 plus 11x equals 180. So we can have 13x minus 15 equals 180. So we're going to add 15 to both sides. So we have 13x equals 195. So dividing both sides by 13, we have x equals 15. So the measurement of AOB is 2x minus 15, or 2 times 15 minus 15, or 30 minus 15, which is 15. And M, the measurement of BOC, is 11x, or 11 times 15, which will be 11 times 15, or 165 degrees. That ends our lesson for today.